In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a consistent character in Higgsfield. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And if you are new here in Higgsfield AI, basically this is an AI generation platform that allows you to create cinematic scenes, image to video clips, and stylized content using prompts. But the problem most beginner face is every time you generate a new scene, your character looks completely different face, different hairstyle, and different vibe. So we are going to fix that in this video. For us to be able to create a consistent character, all I have to do is go to the top corner and click the image. For now, we need to start with a base character image, and we are going to select the Soul ID character. Now, the key to consistency is not just prompting, it starts with a strong base character image. Okay, so all I have to do is click the create character. You will be forwarded here. You can upload 20 photos for best results, okay? But try to avoid duplicates to create a consistent character. So I'm going to do that right now. After uploading, you can rename your character. And you can choose the model. You can choose from Soul 2.0, Soul, or Soul Cinema. And you can also check if the number of images are bad or not. Right now, I have only uploaded 2 images. You may notice that creating a consistent character would require 25 credits on your account. Please be mindful that every time you generate here in Higgsfield, it requires credits. So pay attention, especially if you are mindful of the credits on your account. And once you are sure, all I have to do is click the Create 25, click the Create button, okay? Loading times may vary depending on the complexity of your images, so this may take a little while. Okay, so once the rendering has been completed, click the Generate button, and this is going to be the master character reference. Now, if you are going to create a scene, for example, we're going to go to the explore and let's say we're going to create a video out of an image. We are going to use that image as our character reference. Okay, so basically you can upload an image or generate it. In our case, we can simply reuse that. And of course, you can tell the Higgsfield, for example, to keep this face, keep this identity, and we're going to create our first prompt. Okay, so click the Generate button. It's super simple. Once the video has been successfully rendered, you have the ability to play it to preview the video. Now with this, you can reuse the same character reference from any of the videos you wanted to generate here in Higgsfield. And basically, that's it on how you can create a consistent AI character in Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.